Yeah, here go part 2 right here. Let them know what it is there, whoa.
I got that bitch out. Ain't gonna do nothing but take the transmission loose. Gonna pull the hoe out, take the bitch to the shop. Get it ready to drop back in this motherfucker, get the hoe on the road. So y'all boy know what to do. Coming straight out the wick. Motherfucking Springdale rebuilds, you know what I'm saying? 2815. You want the shit done, come holler at the big for Chevy boys. You know what it is.